Gochain is one of those inconceivably inventive tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a good rundown of organizations yet haven't figured out how to make a leap forward yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a proper positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500-700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparable position have a market capitalization that isn't not the same as their neighbors. That is the reason their spots in the positioning can vacillate fiercely in one day or less. Notwithstanding that, Gochain can in any case be an advantageous speculation for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a somewhat unsafe decision, however it likewise has high benefit potential. In this video, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost estimate for 2022 to 2030. However, kindly recollect that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain Specialized Examination. The Gochain digital currency has a few things backing it up, yet there are likewise a couple of elements that appear to be highlighting Go having a fairly difficult time sooner rather than later. Its true Reddit people group, most importantly, is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Furthermore, clients from the US are as of now experiencing issues getting Go. Furthermore, a conspicuous task that utilized the Gochain organization, the VEVE Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays an exceptionally successful and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It likewise has its own NFT commercial center, Zeramin. Gochain's cost and the fate of the venture will to a great extent rely heavily on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out soon. There's a tremendous chance that the current precariousness might carry a great deal of new financial backers to the market, and it will ultimately depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this undertaking. The undertaking's eco-neighborliness certainly is an enormous benefit. Gochain Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Gochain will be 1 cent. The most extreme level that the Go cost can reach is 1 cent. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 1 cent. Possible return on initial capital investment, 85.7% by Go value conjecture for January 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Gochain toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. Possible return on initial capital investment, 14.3% by February 2023. Gochain Value Estimate Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge at the Go cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Likely return on initial capital investment, 14.3% by Go value figure for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Go rate they foresee may be around $0 WAC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. Possible return on initial capital investment, 28.6% by April 2023. Gochain value estimate around mid-year 2022. The Go cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Gochain worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 28.6% by Go value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Gochain costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most minimal and top Go rates may be $0. Possible return for capital invested, 42.8% by June 2023. Gochain value figure. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Go cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Gochain cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 42.8% by Go value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Gochain costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Go rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0. For July 2023, the determined normal of Gochain is almost $0. Possible return on initial capital investment, 42.8% by August 2023. Gochain value gauge around mid-2022. The Gochain cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Go cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0 1 cent. Possible return for capital invested. 57.1% by Go Value Gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Gochain worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 1 cent. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. Possible return for capital invested. 57.1% by October 2023. Gochain Value Estimate. Digital money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Go costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Gochain will be around 1 cent, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Possible return for capital invested. 71.4% by Go Value Gauge for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of 1 cent in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 at 1 cent, individually. Possible return for capital invested. 71.4% by December 2023. Gochain Value Conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge at the Go cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 1 cent, while the most extreme could reach 1 cent during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around 1 cent. Expected return for capital invested. 85.7% by Gochain Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Gochain will be around 1 cent. The most extreme expected Go cost might be around 1 cent. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 1 cent in 2024. Gochain Value Forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain in 2025, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 2 cents and 2 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 2 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Gochain and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Go cost could drop to 3 cents, while its greatest can reach 3 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Go costs are normal in 2027, 5 cents and 4 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 4 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Gochain. It could drop to at least 6 cents, yet it actually could reach 7 cents all through 2028. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 10 cents in 2029. Its typical expense